I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster here. Now, today we're going to talk about money. And money not in the idea of how much money you have, more like how much money do you need. Now, they say that money is not the most important thing in life, which, yeah, I can agree. But if you don't have any money, then where are you going to live? How are you going to eat? The object of this video, or the reason I'm doing this video, is because I want to talk about what it takes to start a YouTube channel. And the thing I was thinking about was, if you don't have a camera, a cell phone, or anything that can record, there's your first probably investment that you have to make to get started. And then you need, well, maybe not so much editing if you do short videos or you do it on your phone, but you're going to need a place to start up a YouTube channel and get your idea of what you're going to do. Now, the thing is with having a YouTube channel is nowadays I'm feeling the best, well, not quite the best, but the way people are running and getting more subscribers are the people that give away money. And if people know they're going to get money, or the idea of being able to win money gives your channel a little bit of a upper hand. So this video I'm doing here right now is to do with starting out and not having any money. So what kind of a channel do you want? Well, if you're just going to talk about subjects that people want to hear, well, that's fine. Now, if you want to be a channel that covers fishing, any kind of fishing, or something in that line, well, you're going to need a way to get to your fishing spot. So either way, you either Uber it, you have to get fishing gear. Maybe you're young enough that the family member can help you out. Tell your dream that you want to do, and you got buyers. And I mean by buyers, it could be your parents thinking, hey, this wouldn't be a bad idea. But when you tell somebody a story that I'm going to make a whole bunch of money on YouTube, then in some cases people look and they don't really realize that if you're good at what you do in your craft, yeah, you can. But you also got to remember that in your craft, you always are going to need supplies, something to sweeten the pot, a studio eventually, but you got to start somewhere. But again, you need money. So like shows that are on TV, you present your product to somebody and they could back you. But how do you start if you haven't got someone to back you? Do you have to wait till you're a certain age? Because I had to do that, because it was the point where I had a family, and it was the point where, do I have the extra money to put into something other than gas, food, hydro, rent, or mortgage, or do I have extra to do that? Probably not. So, but then they say if you wait too long, then the opportunity, it's too late. So you have to be able to figure out early in life, and money doesn't buy you happiness. Well, it means something. It may not buy you happiness, because you could have a whole pile of money and you can have dreams of doing something. But if you got to pay someone else to help you with your dreams and basically get them to help film whatever, then maybe it's not quite just your dream. Now, maybe your goal is to travel and film your traveling. Well, there's money there, but there's also money to be spent, because you got to get airplane fare, you have to have hotels, motels, and it'd be great to be able to live your dream of traveling around the world and filming what you're doing. But it takes money to get started. So, whatever kind of channel you'd like to get into, you're going to have to figure out what you can do to start it with very little money and work your way up. Now, I find that on my channel itself, it's not exactly where I can say, oh, here, my next viewer is going to win $1,000 or $100, because it really doesn't make sense in my channel itself to give money away. But yeah, I'd like to get viewers. But here's the other thing. They say on certain channels, hey, send us your credit card number and we'll get you 1,000, 10,000 subscribers. Well, if you're going to do that, yeah, that costs you money. Is it legit? I don't know. But I'm not going to take the risk of giving somebody money to get me subscribers. I want subscribers that want to be on my channel because of the interest. So this is I like to do rants once in a while in between some of my dioramas and my 3D printing and stuff like that, because I think it's important that people know that there's opportunities out there, but I don't feel there's a lot of opportunities without putting money into it or having somebody that can back you, that likes your idea. So to somebody that's maybe just starting out, maybe you don't have a car, you don't have money, you don't have the best clothes, but see, now presenting yourself means, okay, yeah, maybe I have to wear a suit. Maybe I have to clean myself up. I need a better camera so people take me seriously. So to make yourself serious costs money. And that's what I'm getting at. It's all money. It's too bad that that's what it comes to. But either way, it makes it sound like somebody goes out there and does their thing. There's a lot behind it. After you need a computer, in some cases, you need an editing system, editing programs. You need, in my case, you need 3D printers, you need glue, you need paint, you need airbrushes, you name it. There's lighting, there's it's ongoing. Will I make money and make the money back that I've put into it? I don't know. Probably not, unless I get subscribers. And that comes back down to, hey, nowadays, everybody that subscribes to you or wants to subscribe, I'm not saying everybody, but a lot of cases, if there's nothing in it for them, then you're not going to get that attention to a point, except for people that really want to learn something of your craft. But if you want to go out there and put a video channel together that's going to make you a pile of money, it has to do with giving away money. Unfortunately, it has to be with giving away money. I feel that the money that is given away, in some cases, is it real? Is somebody really giving it away? Are they actors? Are people falling for it? I don't know. But anyway, I got everybody looking at me here in the room going, hey, what's Professor Vinster talking about? We're talking about money. What? He's going to get everybody all upset because they're going to say, oh, yeah, he doesn't know what he's talking about. But you know what? It's not that I don't know what I'm talking about. It's what I'm feeling and what I'm thinking. So agree or disagree. If you think that the channel doesn't cost money to get going, then it's going to be a long go to help yourself out.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.